astute command of Chief of Army Staff, Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, Nishan-e-Imtiyaz Military, Pakistan Armed Forces delivered a decisive and coordinated response to Indian aggression, demonstrating operational excellence across all domains. His visionary command ensured that our armed forces acted in unison to deliver a crippling blow to the adversary. Pakistan Army inflicted heavy damage to the enemy through destructive, precise, and strategic targeting, employing long-range vectors and unprecedented firepower. Whereas Pakistan Navy deterred aggression by keeping Indian Navy at bay, ensuring the sanctity of national territorial waters. Upholding the proud legacy of being second to none and guided by its bold leadership, Pakistan Air Force wrote a new chapter of aerial warfare, one that will be remembered as a textbook case in military aviation history. Pakistan Air Force delivered a decisive blow to Indian Air Force by downing 6 of its frontline fighters, 3 Rafale jets, 1 Su-30, 1 MiG-29, 1 Mirage 2000, alongside a Heron UAV. ख्वाब था इकबाल का, ताबीर पाकिस्तान है. ख्वाब था इकबाल का, ताबीर पाकिस्तान है. मेहनत अजदाद की तस्वीर पाकिस्तान है.